Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a link into your EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a link into your EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, doing webinars, that's the whole point of a webinar, is you can talk your prospects through the process and then present an offer, usually in the form of a link. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my webinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a link into one of your EverWebinars, here on the left side, you're going to click on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the webinars you're currently running. You can see I have these two. And to add a link here at the top, you're going to click on edit. Once you do that, you're going to see these blue bubbles here at the top, and you want to click on live. Looks like a little play button. All right. Once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options, and to add a link into your EverWebinar, you're going to click on this one, live content. There's a pencil icon. All right. Once you do that, it's going to open up, and you want to click on add event. All right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down, and there's a couple of different ways you can add a link. So you can add a product offer. Product offer is basically going to be a pop-up. It appears right here. So you can add an image of your offer. You can change the headline. You can change the button text. You can choose when the link is going to show up. And then here is the link. So basically what's going to happen is they're going to see this pop up, and they can click on add to cart or whatever text you put in here. So that's the first place you can add a link. If you don't want to add a product offer and you just want to simply add a link, what you can do is, let me close this out. Okay, we click on add event, and instead of product offer, you can click on redirect. Once you click on redirect, you can go ahead and enter in your link right here. You can choose to open up in a new tab, which is what I would normally do. And then you can show here when the link is going to show up. So maybe 20 minutes in. So this is just going to be just a link. It's not going to have an image. It's not going to have extra words that you can type in. So that's the difference between adding just an external link and an offer to a product. So either one will work, depends on really what your goals are. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a link into your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.